welcome to our YouTube channel. And in this tutorial, I'm about to show you guys how you can change your currency on Instagram app payments. So basically, if you have monetized or if you have put ads on your Instagram, and if let's say it's monetized and you want the currency to be in, let's say, US dollars or in uh, Great Britain pounds, GBP, that's how you can do it. So we'll just get right into it. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my Instagram app for this. And once that I've done that,
I believe that art.
I'm going to tap on right here on my profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then now that I'm here, I'm in my profile. What I'm going to do next up is I'm going to tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna scroll down a little bit and look for an option that says ads. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Ads. Hmm. Ad payments. Add preferences. Ads shown off data. Meta. Okay. Okay, so now that you're here, what you're gonna do is next up you're gonna tap on for professionals. So just make sure that your professional mode is on, which is basic requirement. You're gonna tap on creator tools and controls. Now that you've done that, you're gonna tap on app payments. In app payments, you're gonna tap on add a new payment or just tap on your current payment method. Let's go with that. Now that you're here, you're gonna tap on business info, which is by the way right here. This might take a moment to load. Okay, so if you go back even and you do not tap on business info, what you can do is you're going to just tap on app payment method. And here you can see there's a bunch of different options. There's my city, my time zone, my country, and my currency. So I'm going to just tap on currency. And let's look for USD, US dollars, which is right here. And I had earlier told you that you can also go for Great Britain pound, British pound. See, it's right here. And then you're going to tap on next. Okay. And then you're going to just add your payment method, your PayPal, Visa, whatever you have, and then hit next and save your payment method. So that's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then.